Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Koinos token. Ticker symbol is Koin with a K. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing and it is starting tomorrow. Brand new listing. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Koinos. So, like I said, ticker symbol is Koin, and this token is being listed tomorrow, December 15th, 14 hours UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. Now, if you're looking to get this coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KOIN, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, yeah, trading opens tomorrow. Total supply of this token is 100 million tokens. Their official webpage is koinos.io. They're on, actually this is a coin, it's not a token because it is on their own block explorer. They have their own block explorer, koinosblocks.com. They have a Twitter at Koinos Network, Telegram, Discord, Medium, LinkedIn, and actually a full white paper as well. Usually blockchain coins have pretty technical white papers, but this one doesn't seem super lengthy or anything like that. So yeah, Koinos is a free-to-use dApp platform with a probably egalitarian, fast, and less fee digital currency. So you can download the PDF version of their paper if you want to. So it says a general-purpose blockchain-based decentralized network that allows for free-to-use applications through a mana mechanism that dynamically prices network resources and opportunity costs, not tokens, and allows for free-to-use dApps through mana delegation. Proof of burn is implemented as a consensus algorithm to maximize efficiency, decentralization, and probable egalitarianism while thwarting the exchange attack and mitigating spam. Blocks are produced by hashing a private key and the random number output of verifiable random function, VRF, then dividing by the amount of tokens burned. Like proof of work, the longest chain serves as an immutable record of transactions backed by the largest pool of sacrificed capital. The Koinos blockchain framework is used for forkless upgrades as a result of its modular upgradability. This creates a free-to-use and truly decentralized general-purpose blockchain with a mainstream user experience that maximizes accessibility to end users, developers, and node operators. So Satoshi Nakamoto created the first decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency in Bitcoin by designing a novel database architecture, the blockchain, that leveraged fees to regulate network usage and proof of work to regulate state transitions. Ethereum retained these primitives and the blockchain database, but created a more general utility by allowing users to include Turing complete code in their transactions. The code would then be executed in a virtual machine, thereby allowing for decentralized applications. So prior to developing Koinos, we were the core developers of Steem, not the video game Steem, spelled differently, STEEM, the first feeless and social blockchain. up until a hostile takeover and exchange attack. After leaving the project, our goal was to build a company that would empower developers to build dApps like Steam and Hive, but on a truly decentralized and feeless blockchain that would resist the exchange attack. Unfortunately, none of the existing blockchains had the properties we needed. The feeless blockchains were not truly feeless, requiring that users pay for RAM and or accounts, nor were they truly decentralized as a result of their launch, their ICOs, or the consensus algorithm, and often both. We wanted to take the blockchain accessibility to the extreme by enabling, for the first time, free-to-use dApps, which would require not only less transactions, but free accounts, free contract execution, and network resource delegation. Delivering these capabilities required building an entirely new blockchain from the ground up and executing a probably fair decentralized launch. The end result would be a general purpose blockchain that would not just be another Ethereum competitor, but the first genuine alternative to Ethereum. So prior to Koin, most cryptocurrencies had relatively simple token economic designs. They were the token used to pay for fees necessary to sustain the operations of the decentralized network. Removing these fees is what allows for the creation of a more dynamic, flexible, and performant system which supports a digital currency that finally delivers a futuristic vision and an egalitarian and decentralized digital currency that began with Bitcoin. So it says to maximize decentralization and probable fairness. In the beginning, the Koin token was launched in the same manner of Bitcoin through proof-of-work mining on Ethereum. The max supply of mineable tokens was 100 million Koin. When Koinos mainnet goes live, token balances will be initialized using a snapshot of the Koin ERC20, and the initial target rate of the new token creation will be 2%, but this can be altered in-band by governance. See the forkless upgradability and decentralized governance sections. To burn component of the consensus algorithm could result in a much lower actual inflation rate and temporary periods of deflation. So this is going to be inflationary and deflationary. So there's going to be a proof of burn consensus and levers in an algorithmic manner. It's going to be fast and free. It's got forkless upgradability, universal language support, mana, which I mentioned earlier, implementation details, free to use, multi-dimensional, the proof of burn, virtual mining, inflation, deflation, randomness, efficiency and consistency, mining pool, increased liquidity, centralization, resistant, and probably egalitarian and decentralized governance. And that is about it. You can subscribe to a newsletter. They have a unified white paper you can check out, all sorts of socials, GitHub, mainnet. Check it all out. This token goes live on Mexc Global starting tomorrow. So check out that Mexc Global referral code in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about Koin? Now, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.